It's that rooting in the practice of it and the experience of a broad range of organizations of doing architecture in the real world is what makes Enterprise Architecture Fundamentals a really special course.
So the course will obviously look at the important architecture frameworks, but this is not a certification course. This course is about equipping you with the baseline knowledge that you need to go away and be effective in the practice of architecture.
We often, at the conferences, get a lot of change professionals who have got an interest in working with architects.
The idea is that it should provide you with everything that you basically need to know to either get started working in enterprise architecture or to get started working with enterprise architects.
So we use an engagement framework that we've developed that can be used to actually implement enterprise architecture in your organization, or indeed to understand more about what architects do and how that fits with what the company is actually trying to achieve. There's no one right answer, which in turn means that implementing architecture effectively means tailoring it to your organization and the needs of the people in that company.
The intention behind it is rooted in the practice of architecture, not for the sake of itself, but for the purpose of delivering business value to a very diverse stakeholder community, and in particular doing that in a way that is cognizant of modern architecture practice.
Very firmly, it's a practitioner course. It is helping you expand your mandate and your influence within the organization to get more things done.
So it's about equipping you with the knowledge that you need to be able to assimilate either into an architecture role or to work effectively with the architecture community in order to deliver business value.